In this tutorial, I am going to add the remove functionality of an product. Like when we are adding a product, so we need to add the remove functionality for removing if we want to remove. So at first we need to find the remove button. So here is the remove button. We need to declare an onClick function. So in this function we need to provide the item ID. We need to provide the product ID. There is no ID, so we can pass the name as a parameter. Now we can declare the function here. So we can receive the product name from here. So we can redeclare this array from this function. Product list dot filter. We will remove the product by filtering. You know, filter is an JavaScript function. So from product list we need to capture all of the name of our products. So I'm going to capture the names. So the captured name will not be listed here after clicking the remove button. Go to the browser and test it. Now when we clicking to the remove button, our product is not removing, but when we re-render our page, our product is removed now. So don't be upset for this bug. This will be solved when we add the database in our POS system. It is not a big deal. So now we are going to make the print functionality. When we click on the print button, our product informations will be printed for the customer. So for doing this we need to install an React library. So now the name of the library is component to print. Search on the Google, it is here. Let's install the library in our system. Then start our server. So at first we need to make another file for printing. So I am going to make a file for printing function in the component folder. So I am going to name the file. I have named the file component to print. In this file all of the print functionality will be written. Go to the docs, read. So the function what we will declare here will be printed in the printed paper. So import, at first we need to import React, then export default function. Sorry, actually it will be an array function. So the JSX what we will type here will be printed in the print paper. So at first we need to forward the reference. Sorry, it will not the default function export constant, and forward the reference from here react dot forward reference and wrap this with an bracket, then refer the printed document. Now we need to catch all of the information what we are inputting from this POS page. We need to pass those information in this file component to print file. So here it will be the proofs. All of the information will be the proofs and the reference is default. So now we need to pass the informations. We need to find the print function. Here it is. So this will be an on-click function. On-click. So at first we need to pass the information through this function. So the informations will be the product list. So pass the product list. Then declare the function. Now here the library of printing React to print is needed here. So import this. So I have imported this and we need this function here. So import also this. Import now use this. Let me use this library. So the last thing we need the use reference hook from React, because we have used the reference from here. Now we need to pass the information as proofs from this page. So declare this function. I'm going to declare here so we need to pass as props is equal to the product list and pass the reference pass this reference. Now our work is done and we don't need to pass product list from here. So now the print function will be the invisible and the position will be absolute. We don't need to see this in our web page. Now I am going to test our functionality. So let me check the print functionality. Yeah, our print functionality is working now, and now nothing is showing here because we have not designed yet this function. So let me design that functionality. Props.map is not a function. Why this error? Let me check. So here will be an curly braces. Now check the functionality again. Now print this. Hurrah, our functionality is working now. Now you can design. The design is up to you. I will not long the video by designing. See you in my next video.